Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Azure Virtual Machines network security group rules step by step clearly. Open your Azure portal by navigating to portal.azure.com. Log in with your credentials if prompted. In the Azure portal, locate the left-hand menu and click on Virtual Machines. In the Virtual Machines section, select the virtual machine for which you want to enable network security group rules. Once inside the selected Virtual Machines overview page, note the resource group associated with it. Now, scroll down to the Networking tab on the left menu of the Virtual Machine page. In the Networking section, you will see the network interface associated with the VM. Click on the network interface name to open its details. In the Network Interface settings, locate the section labeled Network Security Group. Click on the link to the Network Security Group to modify its rules. On the Network Security Group page, look for the Settings menu on the left. Under the Settings menu, select Inbound Security Rules. Here, click the +Add button to create a new inbound security rule. In the Add Inbound Security Rule panel, specify the source type. Choose whether the rule will apply to specific IP addresses, IP ranges, or all. Enter the appropriate source IP address or range, if applicable. Next, set the protocol type that this rule will use, either TCP, UDP, or any. Specify the destination port ranges to determine which ports the rule will affect. Assign a priority number to the rule. Remember that lower numbers have higher priority. In the name field, provide a meaningful name for the rule. Optionally, you can add a description to elaborate on the rule's purpose. Then, set the action to allow or deny based on your requirement. Once all fields are completed, click the Add button to save the new rule. Return to the Inbound Security Rules list to verify that your new rule appears. If required, you can further manage your rules by modifying or deleting existing ones. After adding your rules, return to your virtual machine to ensure connectivity is intended. Test the connection from an external source to confirm that the newly configured rules are functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.